video, I'm going to walk you through how to set Microsoft Edge as default browser. First thing you'll do is head over to the start icon, click on the start icon to open up this menu, and then you click on settings, which is the gear icon over here to open up your settings. The next thing you'll click on is apps. Click on apps, and then you have two sides. You have left and right side. You can see on the left side so the options. What we actually need is the default apps, but you have other options here. So let's click on default apps. Then after clicking on default apps, by the right we have web browser. You can see right now it's set to Google Chrome. So we'll set it to Microsoft Excel. Actually, we'll set it to Microsoft Edge. Kidding. So you just choose Microsoft Edge, which is the third option here, and voila, that's all it takes. That is actually all it takes to change your default browser to Microsoft Edge. If you haven't downloaded Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Edge, you need to go over to Microsoft Store and download the Microsoft Edge. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which you put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.